A factory robot just showed up in China with 6 arms, and it's not trying to look human anymore. It's trying to replace entire teams of workers. The robot is called Miro U, built by Medea Group, and it launched last week at the Greater Bay Area New Economy Forum on December 5th. What makes this different from every other humanoid robot you've seen is that Medea stopped caring about copying humans and started caring about pure output. Let's talk about what this thing actually is. Miro U has a humanoid head and torso, which means it fits perfectly at workstations designed for people. But instead of 2 arms, it has 6 fully functional bionic limbs. 6 arms working at the same time. The entire robot sits on a wheeled base, so forget about walking. Wheels mean it can reposition fast, stay stable, and never worry about balance. On top of that base is a vertical lifting system that adjusts the robot's height smoothly, plus it can rotate a full 360 degrees in place. It can spin, lift, reach, and swap tools without ever backing up or turning its body around. Here's where it gets practical. The lower arms handle the heavy work, lifting and positioning large components with full stability. The upper arms focus on fine assembly, fastening bolts, and precision tasks. All 6 arms can work on 3 different tasks at the same time in the same workspace. Wei Chang, Medea Group's vice president and CTO, said the value of Miro U comes from moving past form imitation and pushing for real operational efficiency in industrial scenarios. He even called it a superhumanoid at the launch event, and for once that word actually makes sense. This is not a concept sitting in a lab somewhere. Miro U is scheduled to enter the Medea Wuxi high-end washing machine factory in Jiangsu province by the end of this month for pilot testing. Not next year. This month. Medea expects it to boost production line changeover efficiency by 30% once it's fully integrated. That number matters because changeovers are where factories lose the most time and money. Normally you need multiple workers or several different machines to handle transitions between tasks. Miro U does it alone, thanks to its rotation system, height adjustment, and rapid tool swapping capability. What's also interesting is Medea's long-term strategy. The company split its humanoid development into 2 separate tracks. The Miro series is built entirely for industrial use like this one. A second line called MEA is being developed for lighter service roles. Those MEA robots are bipedal and designed for commercial and home environments, with plans to deploy them in Medea retail stores in 2026. They'll guide customers, run product demos, and interact with the public directly. This push didn't come out of nowhere. Medea acquired German robotics giant KUKA back in 2017, giving it access to serious industrial automation expertise. In 2022, it received approval to establish the State Key Laboratory for high-end heavy-duty robots and the Blue-Orange Laboratory. Then in 2024, it launched its Humanoid Robot Innovation Center. Miro U is reportedly the 3rd generation in Medea's humanoid line. And according to Wei Chang, it's the first robot in the world to surpass human physical limits while still fitting seamlessly into workstations designed for people. The real question is what happens when one robot with 6 arms can do the work of 3 or 4 people without breaks, without shifts, and without slowing down. Medea is betting that factories will choose efficiency over tradition. And based on what Miro U can do, they might be right. The pilot program starts this month, and if it works the way Medea claims, this could become the new standard for factory floors across China and eventually the world. 6 arms or 6 legs? Which robot design do you think will dominate factories in the next 5 years? Write your questions and reply in the details section of the video. Like and subscribe for upcoming AI robotics news, then watch the next video that will appear in front of you soon.